Fashion Chingu reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're into trendy and affordable fashion, Fashion Chingu might catch your eye, but most people get this wrong by assuming all clothing is high quality just because it's stylish. The surprising truth is that pricing reflects both design trends and material quality, so knowing what to expect is key. Prices at Fashion Chingu range from for basic tops to for outerwear or more intricate pieces. Limited edition collections or seasonal items can cost a bit more. Most customers find that the value lies in unique designs and trendy looks, even if fabrics aren't always premium. What you get: fashionable, Instagram-worthy clothing with a mix of casual and statement pieces, occasional seasonal promotions, and worldwide shipping. What you give up: fabric quality may vary, sizes may run small or large depending on the piece, and shipping times can take a few weeks depending on your location. Here's how to get the most value. Step 1. Check size guides carefully before ordering. Step 2. Take advantage of bundle deals or seasonal discounts. Step 3. Read reviews and photos from other buyers to gauge quality. Step 4. Plan orders in advance if you're counting on fast delivery. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore reviews. Many first-time buyers are surprised by fit or material differences. The surprising truth is that Fashion Chingu is best for those who prioritize style over luxury fabrics. In conclusion, Fashion Chingu offers a cost-effective way to stay on trend. By understanding pricing, checking reviews, and sizing carefully, you can enjoy fashionable pieces that deliver great value for your money.